If you believe you have been unfairly banned from DAZN, you can follow these steps to appeal the decision. This guide will help you navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review the terms of service. Before proceeding with your appeal, familiarize yourself with DAZN terms of service. Understanding the rules and regulations can help you identify if there was a legitimate reason for your ban. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account and the ban. This includes your account details, any communication you received regarding the ban, and any evidence that supports your case. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to DAZN customer support through their official website or app. Use the contact form or live chat option to explain your situation clearly and concisely. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If customer support does not resolve your issue, submit a formal appeal. Provide all gathered information and clearly state why you believe the ban should be lifted. Be polite and professional in your communication. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, allow some time for DAZN to review your case. Responses can take several days, so be patient. If you do not hear back, consider following up with customer support. In conclusion, appealing a ban on DAZN involves understanding the rules, gathering your information, and communicating effectively with customer support. Following these steps can increase your chances of a successful appeal.